Welcome to our Oktoberfest special. I'm Duey C.K, your animated chef, and today we're diving into the world of pretzels. Peppy, my chatty peppermill sidekick, and I will guide you through the magic of making the perfect Oktoberfest pretzels. Let's get started. First, gather your ingredients. 4 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 packet of active dry yeast, 1 cup of warm water, 1/4 cup of baking soda, and coarse sea salt for sprinkling. In a large bowl, mix flour, sugar, and salt. Dissolve the yeast in warm water and add to the dry mixture. Knead the dough until smooth, about 8 minutes. Let it rise in a greased bowl for an hour. Meanwhile, let's talk history. Pretzels trace back to 7th century European monks who twisted dough to resemble crossed arms in prayer. Fast forward to the 19th century, and they became an Oktoberfest staple in Munich. After the dough has risen, punch it down and divide it into 12 pieces. Roll each piece into a rope and twist into a pretzel shape. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees. In a pot, bring 10 cups of water and the baking soda to a boil. Dip each pretzel in the boiling solution for 30 seconds, then place on a greased baking sheet. Sprinkle with coarse sea salt and bake for 12 to 14 minutes until golden brown. Enjoy the warm, soft, and salty taste of tradition. That's it for today's Oktoberfest pretzels, where history and flavor come together in every bite. Stay tuned for more culinary adventures.